Okay, so for today's video, we will be having an exit quiz from our lesson, which is lesson 2. So again, this is the exit quiz for lesson 2. All right, so I will ask the question and you will try to answer this for 10 seconds for the simple question and 15 to 20 seconds for moderate questions. Okay, you ready? So let's start with number 1. What sequence is closely linked to the number of flower petals? Again, so what sequence is closely linked to the number of flower petals? Your timer starts now. All right, time's up. So we have arithmetic, which is add, or the pattern is addition or subtraction, and another one is geometric, which is the pattern is like this for multiplication and division, and the last one is the Fibonacci. For the Fibonacci, you keep on adding the preceding term. So for this question, our answer is Fibonacci. Fibonacci. Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so as we all know, a flower petals usually in what pattern? It is in a spiral pattern. That's why it is a Fibonacci sequence. Okay. Now let's have number 2. In the sequence 3, 9, 27, 81, what is the pattern? Your timer starts now. Okay, time's up. So in here, um, so we need to find the pattern. So what are we gonna do to 3 in order to be 9? So what are we going to do? So we will multiply it by 3, 3, and 3. Therefore, the pattern is multiplied by 3. Multiplied by 3. By 3. With that in mind, we can say that the common ratio is equal to 3. Is equal to 3. So this is under what sequence? This is under geometric sequence. Very good. All right. Number 3. In the sequence 3, 9, 12, 15, 21, what is the pattern? Your timer starts now. Okay, time's up. So same step. Look at the first term. We have 3. and then it becomes 9. So what are we gonna do in order to um have 9 to 3? Okay, so it could be like this in order to find the pattern. It is plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So therefore, the pattern is what? Pattern is add 6. So with that in mind, we know that the common difference is 6, which is what? What sequence? That is a arithmetic sequence. Why? Because the pattern is addition. Okay, there you go. Now let's move on. Number 4. Your timer starts now. Okay, time's up. So what is the common ratio in the geometric sequence 3, 6, 12, 20, 4? 24. Okay, so as we all know, we have here, oh wait, let's just have a review first. So in here, we have a common ratio already. This is multiplied by 3. I'm going to teach you on how to use a formula regarding common ratio and the common difference. Okay, so for on this part, since we know that is a that imagine we don't know yet the common ratio, but we know that it's already common geometric sequence. So in order for us to get the common ratio, the formula for that is a sub n a n minus 1. So let's just say this is term 1, term 2 rather, and this is term 1. All right, so here, common ratio. So our term 2 is 9. This is term 2, 9. And our term 1 is 3. As long as it is two preceding terms. So therefore, 9 over 3 is equal to 3. This is your common ratio. That's how to do it. Now let's have number 3. Let's apply the formula. For the common difference, again, it is denoted by D. This is D. D is equal to the current term and minus the previous term. Again, current term. This is previous term. So for this, let's say that the current term here is 9. We get the second term. And the previous term is 3. 9 minus 3. So we got 6 as our common denominator. So let's have number 4 since we already know that formula for common ratio and common difference. Okay, so let's have the number 4 problem. Since we are looking for the common ratio, is we have our term. We need to divide the term 2 by the term 1. So let's have the 6 and 3. So the answer is 2. How to do it? Okay, let's check. So we need 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Therefore, the common ratio is equal to 2.